I'm coming on for just a really quick impromptu little video because something very, very exciting came in the mail today. So recently I actually won a little giveaway here on YouTube and I'm so super excited. So I'm going to unbox it and show you guys what I got and do a little shout out to the channel that sent this to me. The channel, as if it's like a disembodied person. So I just ripped open my package. So exciting. Okay, I've got it here. Okay, so before I show you what I got, some of you might already know if you follow him, but Will over at Atypical Tarot did a little giveaway on his channel, and I was actually legitimately super excited to enter because what he was giving away was really unique and exactly something that I've been looking for lately. So first of all, a little bit about Will. Will makes really fantastic videos where he goes in depth about tarot meanings. He does some really great little like take you along for outdoor style reading. So he will film on locations and he'll do a little reading for the week. And it's really, really enjoyable. I really like his content. He's got one of those voices that I say with my death cold voice. Will has one of those voices that's just really relaxing for me to listen to. So I really enjoy listening to a lot of his videos. Oh, I just kicked my camera. Sorry. I was a little unprepared for this video. Anyway, I really enjoy his content, and I may actually get a chance to meet him in person at some point because he does get up here to Vancouver occasionally. So anyway, without further ado, he did a giveaway of a book called Everyday Crystal Rituals. This is by Naha Armadi. I don't know if I'm saying her name completely correctly. She does have a YouTube channel as well, so I will link Will's channel down below, and I will also link Naha's channel down below. But what really, really excited me about this is I have been specifically and like intentionally looking for a book that will help me play with my crystals more, like different activities to do with them, so the fact that this is like a really meaty book all about just that, so excited, so excited. So it's really comprehensive. There's like how many pages? 244 pages including the index. There's information on a bunch of different crystals in here. There's a chakra color guide. I'm just flipping through with you on camera right now. Sections. Let's look at the contents actually. That will help. This isn't all that's in my little giveaway package either. So I'll show you the other things so in just a second here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. So let's see. So there is a section on the way of abundance and calling on crystals. There's a section on love, money, and home. So rituals for love, for wealth, career, and abundance. Spirited decor and other rituals for the home. And then part 3, the power of crystals. So, for example, there's like a love potion number 9. Discover your heart's desires. A magical bath ritual. Oh my god, I'm so excited to play with this. Oh, you don't even know. And there's a whole section here. There's like pictures of different crystals. I will definitely go through this and then do a review of this on my channel, but I am like really excited. And there is a whole section in here, like an index section with lots of information on different crystals, which is fantastic. But I have to tell you, I am the most excited for the piece about practices and rituals and things that I can like tangibly do with my crystal collection, because I love working with crystals and I just want to take that practice a little bit deeper. So very, very excited. So thank you so much, Will. Sorry, my voice is still weird, but I'm like legitimately super excited. So yes, I will put the information and I will put a link to this book on, I'm sure it's on Amazon. If it's not, I'll try to find a link for where you can get it, but I think it is on Amazon. In fact, I think I added it to my wish list like the same day I entered the giveaway because I was like, that's what I'm looking for. But I will put a link to that down below. I will put a link to Naha's channel and to Will's channel. Again, that's Atypical Tarot. So the other thing that he sent along, oh my god, I'm so excited for this, are these really cool, there's like, how many in the, oh my god. I was expecting like 2 of these and there's like 5 of these. Okay, sorry, I'm having like a moment. These are keys. Sorry, there's like ink all over my fingers because I was playing with one of my fountain pens and like got ink everywhere, so don't mind my messy fingers. But these are like little keys that hold cards, and there's 5 of them. And this is perfect because as I speak right now, On my little tarot card altar, which is in front of me here, I have my full moon goddess card that I put up, my dark moon goddess card that I put up, my dark moon weaver's oracle card that I put up, my card of the year, and my card of the month. That is 5 cards, and there are 5 keys. And they're currently just like leaning against my wall on a shelf. So how these work, this is a really thin card. So let's see how it does. Does it still work on this really super thin card? Okay, so basically it holds, it's like a little place card holder. Sorry, I put it in weird, and this is also a really small card that's also upside down. I need to grab like a regular card. Ooh, 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 bear with me. Sorry about my shoulder. Okay. Excuse me. I have my Dark Goddess Tarot here because that's one, I pull cards from this deck monthly. So let me just put one of these cards in. You can get an idea for how these work. Okay. You need to put them on a surface. I'm really bad at this, clearly. So yeah, so it like holds. This is the worst demonstration ever. Welcome to my videos, man. There we go. See? So these little teeth here at the top of the key have like a little slot, and you can put your card in there. So I can actually put proper like little holders under all of the cards that I keep out on a monthly basis. So I'm so excited for these. It's really actually funny because the book I was totally looking for, something like that. And I actually had been shopping on Etsy for some little card holders like these that I could use for holding my cards. Not for like readings, but I like to have it for the cards that I've got on display during the month. So that is super exciting, and I don't win stuff like ever, so I'm really stoked. So thank you, Will, again for sending me these goodies, and hopefully we can meet up for a coffee or a collab video or something when you are in Vancouver. That would be amazing. And everybody go check out Will's channel. Thank you again, and I will talk to you all again very, very soon. Bye!